This video I'm going to show you real quick how to change the oil on a BMW. This is the E46, but basically every car is same thing. What changes is like kind of oil and filter that you're going to use. So as you see, this is my BMW. It's a drift car. Not that little one, this big one. And I've been doing like a little more than changing oil, because I'm kind of doing some quick maintenance for me to go drifting. But you don't need to, this is not for a drift car. What you need to do, the first thing is under the car. So this is the front of the car, and you go under the car. You see here sway bar, and you keep going. So this part is where the oil sits, and you're gonna use a 17mm and take a bolt that is in there. You do not take that bolt, I just took that out. You do not take that bolt with impact wrench or anything. Just use your hands, because you don't want the threads inside to get screwed. Otherwise it can cause leaks. And yeah, so you can see it's draining. I'm gonna let it drain. We are also going on under the hood, and a couple of things I would like to do is, like, one, take this thing like this, let some air in, and this guy here, I gotta get a cloth. There you go. Just take it out. Of course you don't want anything to get in there, so you can sleeve like this, fine. Now we are going to remove the filter, which sits inside here. So there is a tool, it's like a little cup, and it hits the sides here, so it touches the sides, and so it grips in here, and then you can take it. But you know, I figured that I could do like this, so I end up not buying that one. If yours is too tight, then I would say you gotta buy one. Don't force it, it should come out pretty easily. There you go. And on a BMW, what happens is, if you want to screw this and lift it slowly, you're going to see there's some oil in there, but when you let the air in, you have more oil coming out. So it actually is going to drain whatever is in here. It's going to drain down there, so you just wait for a minute. It's good to have another pan or something to take this out of here and not make a big mess. Alright, so I got a plastic bag. I got this here. I'm gonna put this right in there. This is not trash. And I'm gonna take this filter out of here. Oil is almost drained. Oh my, look at that. Look at those, new and old. Alright, because I'm on a little hill and the car is jacked too high, there's some oil left in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some shop towel, because I don't want to leave any of this old oil in there. There you go. And let's wipe it clean. And there you go. We are good now. Yep. So now we have all of this dry. I'm gonna hold this here. This is not necessary though. My neighbor just came here and I was worried that they're gonna think that I'm ghetto because I'm always under the car, I'm always dirty. And she was saying, that's super cool what you do and stuff. But what I was gonna say is, this is super cool. I mean, the cars usually you go under the car and you take the filter out. This is on top and it goes up, so it's no mess. And the kit comes with another O-ring and the, let's call it O-ring or gasket for the drain plug, which is that bolt that was down there, and it didn't have one of those, so we're gonna put one of those. Super cool. Not every kit comes with it. Now you need a little screwdriver, or you're gonna push this with your fingers and take this gasket out of here. So let's do that. We're gonna carefully take this out of here, take it out. So the oil I'm going to use is a Mobil 1 530. I was using 530 here, but it wasn't synthetic. And you know, this is a car that I need a lot from it, so yeah, I'm gonna put a good oil in it, and you know, it's good to go. So get some oil, put in your fingers, put in the piece of the O-ring, and we're gonna put the other one. So you just put in here, push all the way down. There's a groove down here, so you hold with a finger and just slide all the way. Bang. Now you get the new filter, and you can either put the filter first and it goes all the way down, then you put this thing here and then you start screwing it. Okay, it might be a little harder than it looks, but to get this video, but we have the bolt, we have the little gasket, it fits right in there. So I'm gonna clean this here because I don't want to think that this is leaking, and you don't need to quite see right there, but clean the bolt, clean everything. You don't want like deposit of oil with dirt. Now we got a 17mm and tight that. Okay, and get that screw. You don't need to tight the crap out of it, you just hand tight, and once it's hand tight you just force a little more. This is it, get in here, it's like half turn. There's the gasket in there, the gasket won't let it drip, so good to go. It might over torque already, but that's pretty much it. If it end up leaking, you just torque a little more. Should be alright. Okay, now for the final part, we're gonna open this guy and get a little thingy and put our oil. Again, I choose this oil because it's synthetic oil. Is gonna last a little longer. It's 530, which means cold, the viscosity is 5, and hot viscosity is 30, right? So when you get like older cars, this has a lot of miles, but I thought it could use like a nice little synthetic this time, because last time it had like some crappy oil. And so you put some oil and dip that, the dipstick, take it out, clean that. It's kind of tricky, but you can see, right, it's not shiny. Now you put back in there and take it out. Do you see that's shiny? Just the end of it. So probably because of the filter I need to put 5 or 6 quarts. I'm gonna try So this is 5 quarts. Oh no, 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 don't fall in there. Put 5, little less than 5.5. Yeah, so see is in the bottom here. It should be like even all the way up here on this half, like showing all the way here. It's all right. I think that's the ideal, but I'm gonna show you why I'm going to stop right here, so you understand what you need to do if you gotta do it. So look at my car. So look at my driveway, right? Don't bother that little thing there. So look, it's up, which means the oil is going that way. It's not getting the stick all the way. So where are you going, sir? And so that's why. So I need to drop my car and then do it again. I won't bother because I know that 5.5 quarts, it's all right, and we're good to go. So this was a quick video for you. It took me a little longer because I gotta take care of someone, right? Say yo 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 yo. Yeah, so he doesn't go to the street, but you know how it goes. So this is how you change your oil in your BMW. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm looking at my son right there, and I'll see you on the next video. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.